That which can be destroyed by the truth should be. Critical illness often impairs the muscle's ability to synthesize protein in response to protein intake. This study aimed to determine if a higher protein dose could overcome this resistance. It involved mechanically ventilated patients randomized to receive either 40 grams or 20 grams of whey protein isolate through an intraduodenal bolus over 1 hour. Plasma levels and muscle protein synthesis rates were measured using primed continuous intravenous infusions of isotopically labeled phenylalanine and tyrosine. The primary outcome was the rate of postprandial muscle protein synthesis over a 6-hour postprandial period. Quick take. It's intriguing to see that more isn't always better when it comes to protein intake for critically ill patients. The findings showed no significant difference in postprandial muscle protein synthesis rates between the 40 grams and 20 grams protein groups, with an adjusted mean difference of 0.007% per hour. However, plasma leucine and tyrosine levels were higher in the 40 grams group. Despite increased amino acid availability, the higher protein didn't augment muscle protein synthesis rates. The authors conclude that increasing enteral protein does not negate anabolic resistance in critical illness. Quick take. This evidence challenges the notion that simply increasing protein intake will overcome anabolic resistance in critically ill conditions. Short quiz, clinical vignette. Question. A 49-year-old male on mechanical ventilation is part of a study receiving 40 grams of whey protein isolate intraduodenally. Despite increased plasma amino acid availability, what is the expected impact on his postprandial muscle protein synthesis rate? Option 1. Significant increase compared to 20 grams. Option 2. No significant change compared to 20 grams. Option 3. Significant decrease compared to 20 grams. Option 4. Complete inhibition of muscle protein synthesis. The answer is option 2. The study found no significant difference in muscle protein synthesis rates between the 40 grams and 20 grams protein doses, indicating increased protein did not overcome anabolic resistance.